Well, I woke up to roosters crowing. Some guy was outside of our truck for the first 3 hours of the morning trying to wash it and get money. Found these idiots again.
Morning vlog. Where are we going? We don't know.
What's the plan, Liam?
Hitting the surf beach and maybe finding a nice camping spot. Chase your dreams, kid. This could be you too.
You too could be an idiot in the back of the truck. Boogity 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 boo. It's the Boomafoo and the Kraft Brothers. Walking in the woods one day, Chris and Mark said something straight.
That's good.
Little,
Right there.
little leaping lemur who loves to jump and play. Animal Junction's a place for me. Zoobity doobity doobity bang. Zoobity boobity boo. And now a word from our sponsors. Do you not feel alright? You should drink Tecate Light.
I highly doubt that'd be a commercial.
Woohoo! Well, we made it to the beach. Absolutely beautiful morning. That guy's shredding the wave already. Little board rental stand. Couple idiots.
Hummy, hummy, ha.
You heard it here first, folks. Hummy, hummy, ha. So, we got pummeled by the waves again, but not as bad. Liam can't help himself when the ice cream man comes around.
How is it?
We are all about to lose a layer of skin because we are all tomatoes.
I'm not a tomato. I just broke my knee in half. I can barely walk all of a sudden. Woke up in the campground slash, I don't even know what you'd call this place. Kind of some sweet views. You can see the water. This is the place they rented for the night. Oh, look at this guy.
Could use a monster, running a little low on energy, but it's the last day, so we're gonna find some energy and get after it.
Is it the last day of your vacation? Are you moping around like a big orangutan?
Yep.
Do you need something to just get you off the couch and get you moving? Some sort of fuel? Well, you need a NOS. It's beyond fuel. How do you feel? The camera loves you. Say hi to Samantha at least.
Hi, Sam. Thanks so much for editing out all my dirty comments. You're a nice girl.
Be finding any dirty comments from me.
Yeah, he's Mr. Clean over there.
Yeah, I don't think you've said once on camera.
I don't think so.
Just about 400 times off camera.
I'd never say that.
So we just stocked up for the day on energy drinks and a little bit of snacks. We got penguinos. And I realized yesterday that these packs of Oreos are like 50 cents each, and they contain 10 galletas, which is Spanish for cookies. So yeah, we walked out of there at like, I don't know, probably 20 bucks for a shit ton of snacks and a bottle of alcohol, which is bad for you kids. Don't drink alcohol. We're driving to the beach. We think we found a place that would be decent for spearfishing. So I'm getting pretty excited about these penguinos. I don't know why this penguino is saying berry berry, and this one's also saying berry. And I'm really wondering what these have to do with penguins. Alexa, play Crazy Frog. Bing, bing, bop, bing, bum, bum, bing. So I know you've all been wondering, you know, what are penguinos? What is berry berry? Upon opening the penguinos.
We're currently unboxing the penguinos.
Yeah, I'm doing an unboxing. So you can see upon first glance, they, oh shit. They, I can't say that. Sorry, Samantha, edit that out. You see, they closely resemble what the box says. Nothing really special going on. I don't see any sort of berries on them. So we're gonna give one of these to our professional taste tester, Jesse. What do you think? Is it berry berry?
Tastes exactly like a ding dong.
We're gonna try it.
I was expecting something better from penguinos.
First bite. So I'm getting a nice crunchy chocolate on the top.
Almost a little old.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if it's
Tastes a bit stale.
Could I give a little update on how the sunscreen's feeling?
In the middle of our unboxing video.
We just spent 5 minutes on this clip and you just got sabotaged at the end. No, it's a brief
Just
moment.
halfway through. Hey, can I tell you about my sunscreen?
Yeah, a brief moment to hear about our sponsor, Signature Care Sport Sunscreen Lotion. So it comes in 10.4 fluid ounce bottle with pretty durable cap as well as containment unit. So I'm applying, about a teaspoon at a time. I take it like here, and I got a little bit burnt yesterday, so this is feeling quite soothing to the skin. It seems to be almost washing my hair at the same time. It's like a conditioner.
It's a 2-in-1?
So it's soothing the red areas and
get
yet
up in there.
soaking the white areas. So I'm gonna have to rate this probably 8.5 out of 10 stars because
You're literally just a silhouette because the background is so bright.
that's what I was saying. 8.5 out of 10 because there's a little bit of sand mixed in.
flex a little harder.
That's all she got.
Yeah, it's like a 7 out of 10. Yeah,
That's all she got, bro.
well, we're at the beach. Let's get out there. Plan is to do some snorkeling, look for fish activity. We will make sure we wear our masks underwater to prevent the spread of COVID. Slow the spread, flatten the curve.
Nice and warm.
It's your boy Matt Buists here from Buists and Bikes. Giving
I tried to preheat it with my hands.
a review of this Signature Care Sport sunscreen lotion. Nice unbottling video. From first smell, it smells like sunscreen. But luckily inside the bottle comes this ginger, and she applies it for you, and then she goes back in the bottle. Kind of like the genie, if you will, of the sunscreen. She doesn't grant you any wishes besides the wish that you won't get sunburned. So
I think you will. This seems pretty thin, in my opinion.
I seem pretty thin.
Thick.
Thanks. How do my lats look back there?
Mediocre. Could be better.
What?
Could be worse though.
I'm huge. Bad angle.
I'm gonna
Oh, that's actually a good angle. We got a crusty old Matt limping his way to the beach. ACL, MCL, kneecap gone. That won't stop him. He's a fighter. Let's go! 2 shots, 1 kill. Let's go feed the family. Sweet footage captured by yours truly. Oh, nice shot, bro. This is huge. So this is the fish we got. Look at those teeth. Homeboy's just a chonker. We're gonna let him swim free. Very much alive. Swim free!
Here we are. We ran into a little snafu trying to pull out of the beach parking lot today. So all hands on deck. Trying to get the truck out. Ready, Matt? Ready. Second push. Got it.
I found a churro stand. These two teenagers trapped in adult bodies couldn't help themselves. Little update on the churros. They were dank. They're still dank. So we're back in the van. Now we're heading back to Cabo. We're all just kind of worn out. I'm kind of hurt everywhere. So we found this hotel on Google. It's advertised 28 a night. Came out to 35 after everything was said and done. Really not bad. Smells slightly like dirty diapers. I have had so many people try to sell me cocaine and now girls. I tell them I'm broke. They say you only have to work 2 or 3 days for these girls. I said I want them to like me for my personality. I don't know what he said after that, something in Spanish. We have made our way around the marina and there are absolutely millions of dollars.
Billions.
Billions. You think if I threw a fishing pole in there I'd catch fish?
Yeah, on the lake.
Maybe you can cast it and then just throw it.
I'll just throw the whole pole in the water. Oh no, there goes my pole. That would suck.
I'm gonna do a little unboxing of the store here. We have lots of shirts, dresses, tank tops, even something for the little ones. A little unboxing here in a minute.
Okay, go ahead.
How do you do it?
It's
We're on.
It's
So here we have, what are they? Iguanas? Unboxing slam. We have a green chameleon.
This is tequila.
We have Matt and Tequila here. He's got a very plush green skin with kind of an alligator type leather on his snout. This one's probably going to develop into a large critter as well.
So we're calling it a night on the bars. Yeah, I think it's 11 or 12 here. It's kind of hard to tell. But we found this hot dog stand. ¿Cómo se dice hot dog en español? Hot dogs. Hot dogs. Hot dog stand. Hot days. Perros calientes. Doggy hot. Doggy hot. Tres perros con papas.
Muchas gracias.
Estes son mi amigos. Well, we ate our burritos, our burros on El Balconadio. On the balcony, for those that don't speak Spanish. Anyways, we're gonna do an unboxing video on de Baja Nectar de Duranzo. Liam, unbox it.
So this cap was held on by a sticky piece of Vaseline device, like so, to keep freshness inside. So I'm gonna slowly remove the already once removed fastener. I'm gonna stick it on the table here for future reference. And with a
anyways, about the sunscreen that we're gonna put on. Man, that sunscreen was some good sunscreen. So when I do a Hawk 250 video, this will be extremely relevant. Liam, how many Hawk 250 lookalikes have we seen in Mexico?
I would say that probably about half the motorcycles on the street that aren't in a scooter platform have been Hawk 250 identical clone. So the Hawk 250 is a very prevalent bike down here south of the border because of its low entry cost to purchase, as well as the affordability on parts and maintenance and the longevity of the mechanical components. So therefore we are going to rate the Hawk 250 an 8 out of 10, and we will be rating it higher. Oh shit. It appears we're locked out of our truck and we're gonna have to get acrobatic. Kiss me, baby, one more time. Enough of that.
Well, we hopped the wall. Some guy asked me something in Spanish as I was about to hop it.
Your response.
I said, "Estoy bien, gracias." And then he just drove away. We're back in the truck. I am totally okay with going to bed.
You're totally tuckered out.
Soy exhausted. That means I'm exhausted for all you English natives. Picking up Jesse and Caira tomorrow. Gonna get some breakfast, the airport, and then we're back on the road. I love Crocs, man. They are like the most versatile shoe. Go to sniff, smell test.
I'd say this passes the smell test.
When you're in Mexico, you should always smell test everything. If it doesn't smell good, why would you drink it?